Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best mini tequila bottles is probably one of the most exciting and versatile ways to enjoy your favorite agave spirit, offering convenience, portion control, and a touch of novelty whether you're celebrating a special occasion, looking for a unique party favor, or simply want to savor a small taste of Mexico's finest. Number 5. Otis Classic Small Glass Jars with Lids, set of 12. These small jars are perfect for organizing a variety of items, from kitchen spices to craft supplies. They offer a stylish way to keep your space tidy and clutter-free. Each jar comes with a lid to keep your contents fresh and protected. The convenient neck size makes filling them with small items a breeze. These tiny glass jars with cork lids bring a charming, rustic touch to any setting. They are ideal for showcasing homemade gifts or party favors. Unleash your creativity with these mini glass jars. They are perfect for DIY crafts, wedding decorations, or as unique containers for your imaginative projects. These potion bottles with corks are fantastic for themed parties and seasonal decorations. They add a special touch to any festive occasion. Included with these corked mini jars are brown paper labels and string. This allows you to add a personalized touch to each bottle, making them uniquely yours. What we like. If you love DIY crafts and charming decor, these are perfect for you. They offer versatile storage for spices, candies, or even potions, with secure lids to keep contents fresh. Their rustic charm makes them ideal for wedding favors or unique gift presentations. What people say. The mini tequila bottles are a great size for party favors. These bottles are perfect for making personalized gifts. The glass quality is good and they seal well. Number 4. Tequila Infusion Kit, Bourbon Old Fashioned. Introducing the ultimate tequila infusion kit, designed for both men and women. It's the perfect way to create personalized spirits for any occasion. Make your tequila exactly how you like it. Whether you prefer a smoky Scotch, classic Irish, or American bourbon, this kit allows you to experiment with refined tastes. Creating your unique spirit is easy. Simply add your favorite alcohol and wood chips, let it infuse, then add botanicals for a truly refined flavor. Enjoy your homemade creation in just a few days. This complete kit includes everything you need to get started: elegant bottles, diverse wood chip blends, exciting botanical flavors, a filter, labels, shot glasses, and an instruction booklet. Surprise your loved ones with this unique and personalized gift. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion to show your affection and care. Elevate your home bar experience. Infuse, pour, and savor the incredible taste of your own custom-made spirits with this versatile infusion kit. What we like. For the aspiring mixologist or the person who has everything, this kit is a game-changer. It allows you to craft your own personalized spirits with unique wood chip and botanical blends. If you're looking for a truly unique and interactive gift experience, this is the one to choose. What people say. It's easy to use, has tons of ideas, and he has now gone past the suggested experiments into his own world. Highly recommend the Vanilla Espresso Infusion. So many cute bottles with spices within this package. I love the idea of it. Great concept for a gift. Fun and simple to get started. The set is nice, reminds me of an Azul bottle. It looks more expensive than what you'll pay for it. Worth it if you like to experiment with different flavors. Number 3. Mini Sampler 50 ml Liquor Shot Airplane Bottles Nips Rack. Introducing a premium display solution designed for your 50 ml liquor, shot, or airplane bottles. Keep your counter organized and your products presented safely and professionally. Ideal for restaurants, convenience stores, coffee shops, and liquor stores. This versatile display enhances impulse buys like candy, gum, and cigarettes at the point of sale. Crafted from exceptionally thick, clear acrylic, this display offers superior rigidity and durability compared to thinner alternatives. Experience the difference in quality and longevity. Its robust construction and thoughtful design, including a lip on each compartment, ensure items stay in place, even if accidentally bumped. It also helps deter theft of smaller items. With 12 spacious compartments, this display provides generous room for your miniature bottles or other small retail items. The overall dimensions are designed to fit conveniently on any countertop. This display is perfect for showcasing cell phones, beauty products, and more. Its strategic placement encourages impulse purchases and maximizes your sales potential. What we like. Businesses looking to maximize counter space and boost sales will find this display invaluable. Its clear, durable acrylic construction is perfect for showcasing small impulse items like nips, candy, or even cell phones. If you want to drive sales and keep your checkout area organized and professional, this is your solution. What people say. Item is just as pictured. Good quality, packaged well and arrived undamaged. It's perfect size for mini-size bottles. Works well as a shelf. Number 2. Mini liquor bottles 30-pack 1.7-ounce plastic spirit bottles. Introducing our 30-pack of mini liquor bottles, perfect for weddings, parties, and more. Each bottle holds 1.7 ounces and comes with funnels for easy filling. These bottles feature airtight black caps that create a reliable seal. You can trust that your contents will stay securely inside, preventing any spills or messes. Their mini and compact size makes them incredibly easy to carry. They are lightweight and won't take up much space, perfect for on-the-go use. Use them for a wide range of liquids and powders, from spirits and sauces to spices and DIY essential oils. They are also easy to clean for repeated use. These small bottles are ideal for sharing your homemade creations. Divide your special sauces, wines, or essential oils into delicate portions for friends and family. Each package includes 30 mini bottles and 10 helpful funnels. Everything you need to easily dispense and store your favorite liquids or powders. What we like. If you need to distribute small portions of liquids or powders, these are incredibly convenient. Their airtight seal ensures no leaks, and the portable size makes them easy to carry. They are perfect for weddings, parties, or sharing homemade sauces and extracts with friends. What people say. They totally do not leak and hold just the right amount for a decent-sized dinner salad. It was very good design and sealed really good. The toddler throws them all day long and nothing spills and it has busted open. The bottles are the perfect size, 1.7 ounces, and are very easy to fill with the included funnels. Number 1. Blue Panda 15-pack small glass bottles with cork stoppers. Discover a set of 15 charming square glass bottles, complete with cork stoppers. They also come with twine and blank tags for a personal touch. These are perfect for storing dried herbs, loose leaf tea, or even scent cones. Use them as vials for potions or spell jars, especially for themed parties. Unleash your creativity by crafting unique favors for any celebration. Fill them with sand art, seashells, crystals, or candy to meet all your decorative needs. These small jars offer a space-saving solution with their compact size. They are designed to add a touch of charm to any room while storing your small items efficiently. Each jar features a sturdy cork lid that ensures a tight seal. This keeps your contents safe and prevents any accidental spills or leaks. These decorative jars are ideal for both professional use and culinary applications. They add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen or entertainment space. What we like. For those who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality in their kitchen or for small crafting projects, these are a great choice. Their compact design is space-saving, and the secure cork lid preserves contents perfectly. If you're looking for a stylish way to store herbs, teas, or create decorative favors, these will add a professional touch. What people say. Absolutely love these for storing small items and displaying them in an adorable glass container. Perfect size for collecting sand from around the world. Use transparent glue to close shut the lids and my own ribbons. Good quality. Bought these for my birthday, got all of my friends to make beaches in a bottle with me. They work great, they seal the water and sand in, and look great. They were the perfect size and pretty strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.